KERDI-LINE is a low-profile linear floor drain, specifically designed for bonded waterproofing assemblies, such as the Schluter shower system. The drain can be installed adjacent to walls or at intermediate locations. The floor can be sloped on a single plane to KERDI-LINE, which enables the use of popular large format tiles. Let's take a look at how to select the KERDI-LINE linear drain. You can find a copy of the Schluter System's illustrated price list at schluter.com, or visit the website configurator to see the options. You can also check out the Schluter app as well. KERDI-LINE is comprised of a channel body and grate assembly. These components are packaged separately. The first step is to select a channel body length that fits your application. The channel body box will contain the channel body, a channel support, a no-hub coupling, and the waterproofing accessories. The channel body also is offered with a center or off-center outlet. There are no hard and fast rules for choosing the channel body length. However, it is often desirable to select a length that nearly spans the width of the shower enclosure. It is essential to keep in mind that the bonding flange extends approximately 1 inch beyond the channel opening on all sides, and that the outside length of the channel body must fit within the inside dimensions of the shower space. Of course, tile format and layout must be considered as well. The second step is to select the grate assembly. The grate assembly box will come with your grate and a grate frame. You'll need to first choose a grate design and finish. We have many options to suit your taste. We offer a closed design, a perforated option, a frameless tileable grate, and our style grates, which come in a curve, floral, or pure design. You'll then choose the length of the grate to match the length of the channel body opening. Next, you'll need to choose the corresponding grate frame. Keep in mind that the grate frame options will vary depending on which grate design you have chosen. The frame for the closed or perforated grate option is available in 2 heights to accommodate different tile thicknesses. Select the 3/4 inch frame for 1/8 inch to 9/16 inch thick coverings for standard ceramic and stone tiles. Select the 1 1/8 inch frame for 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick coverings for thicker ceramic tiles and dimension stone. For the style grate designs, there is only one frame height available. With a height of 29/32 of an inch, it is able to accommodate covering thicknesses from 1/4 inch to 11/16 inch. And finally, for the tileable grate option, there is no grate frame needed, and it can be used with any tile thickness. Once these elements have been determined, the proper grate assembly can be ordered. To learn how to install KERDI-LINE, check out our Schluter KERDI-LINE installation video. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check our YouTube channel to view our videos.